Hey everybody, Scott Wilkinson here at CEDIA Expo 2013. I'm in the PSB and NAD booth speaking with Paul Barton, the P and the B of PSB. And Paul, you got some new stuff at the show here, don't you?
Yeah, we have some new products in all the categories. Personal hi-fi, we have some new headphones, some new earbuds, and we're launching new in-ceiling, in-wall platforms.
I get an awful lot of questions about in-ceiling and in-wall speakers. People don't want to see those speakers.
No, and what we've done is we've made a series of 4 models that allow for across the front installations, so they're hidden and the drivers face down. All of the driver platform is based on our Imagine series of products using this clay-filled polypropylene, and the same tweeter basic tweeter platform, but done in a way, and they're all closed back. They have the back boxes on them.
Ah, that's very good.
And the grills are attached magnetically so that they're easy to install, and also very attractive because they draw little attention to themselves.
Right, and the back box is very important in order to control the acoustics.
Well, that, and also to isolate it from going into other parts of the home.
Ah, very good.
It does help to reduce the bleed into other rooms.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so then what's new in headphones?
Well, we've just introduced an NAD VISO headphone called the HP50, and it's available in 3 colors, red, white, and black. And it has some of the features that are built into the PSB headphone platforms. Jacks on both sides for convenience, say when you're traveling. Very comfortable, lightweight, and the driver platform is very much based on the work done on the M4U1 and M4U2, which we've released in the past.
Right.
NAD has another model in-ear which we've helped develop, and it's called the HP20, and it's kind of a nice piece of jewelry at the same time, and it's built using aircraft aluminum, and it's all a multi-axis CNC built. Each one is individually made.
Wow. And
so that's the first venue we've had in making
in-ears.
In-ear louds.
What are the cost of the in-ears and the VISO on-ears or over-ears?
I'm not sure what the current cost is, but we can certainly
we'll figure that out. These custom sound in-walls are looks like $800 a piece. Yeah. $799.
Yeah, there's 4 models. The WLCR is, as you can see here, $700 or $800.
Yeah.
There's another model which is across the front in ceiling, the same cost, $800. And then we have a dual mode surround, which means you can actually just have 2 in-ceiling surrounds, but you can configure it in such a way that both of the side and the rear channels go to that one box. So
you could do 7.1.
You could do 7.1 with only 5 speakers in the room.
Ah, okay.
5
oh, that's cool.
Well, it's a strategy we've used in our other standard surround products. The Imagine surround and the Synchrony surround have that feature built in.
I got you.
Well.
Okay.
Yeah, so we've just included it in our in-ceiling.
And then finally, from PSB, you've got a new micro subwoofer.
Oh, that's correct. It's in the background as.
We'll take another picture of it and show people a close-up.
Yeah. And it sort of rounds out our offering of our first computer speaker called the Alpha PS1, and this subwoofer is called the Sub 100, and it sort of rounds it out. It's a very miniature compact sub, has a 5.25-inch woofer in it, and is a sealed box. So in a form factor of that size, it's quite a tidy package.
And what is its low frequency extension?
Well, it's pretty much flat down to about 30 hertz.
Well, that's pretty good for a 5.25-inch driver.
That's right. Well, it's in a very tiny box.
Yeah, yeah. And what's the price point on that?
It's $245 or $250 retail.
Meant to go with the Alpha.
So the PS1 system would cost you $550
for a 2.1 computer system.
2.1 computer system.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, thanks so much for talking with us.
Oh, you're very welcome.